This particular model is the Panasonic Aquaria K-Series. It's the high performance unit from the K-Series range, and our model is the 5 kilowatt unit. You can get the Panasonic Aquaria K-Series in the 3 kilowatt size, so slightly smaller 3 kilowatt size, the 5 and the 7 as a single fan unit, and then as the larger double fan units you can get the 9 kilowatt TCAP, 12 and 16 now. All units from the range are refrigerant split. From the K-Series range they're all refrigerant split. So that means they're connected to the indoor equipment via 1/4 inch and 5/8 copper refrigerant pipe. The exception being the 3 kilowatt unit, which is 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch copper refrigerant pipe. And they connect via means of a flare connection onto the 2 and the 3-way valve, and then you connect to the indoor equipment again by flare connections. So it's just 2 refrigerant lines, or copper refrigerant lines, into the indoor equipment. So for simplicity of installation, it really is great. The anthracite grey, you'll notice the trend now from most homeowners. They are looking for this anthracite grey or this darker finish, because architecturally it just blends in with most UK homes. This is designed to blend in with any architectural backdrop, exceptionally well, it does so. So again, for installation, it's not over-imposing in the garden, because this is 795mm top to bottom, and then it's 895mm left to right. So, you know, even though the permitted developments change now slightly, this, you wouldn't have needed the planning permission for this. It was already part of permitted development, so you wouldn't have had to request any further planning permission. On the single fan units, the interesting thing with these is that you can put them further away up the garden. So if you've got a challenge on a retrofit where hydraulically it may be a problem because you don't really want to put lots and lots of pipework in trenches and then upsizing to, you know, from 28mm you're going to have to upsize to say 35mm, that starts becoming really expensive. You may think, aha, we'll go to K-Series because it's a lot more economical to run 1/4 inch and 5/8 or 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch pipe in a ducting, pre-insulated by the way. On that's what we use. We use the 20 metre coils of pre-insulated refrigerant pipe. It's called Coolio. We get ours from FSW. It works exceptionally well. So single fan units can go up to 50 metres away from the indoor equipment. So if you are finding a hydraulic scenario a challenge, and you think you just want the heat pump further away from the property anyway, then it makes more sense. If you want a high performing unit that delivers great efficiencies, but you want it further up the garden, K-Series is a game changer. So, you know, and then electrical wise, we've got a 4mm 4-core cable that then connects the indoor and the outdoor equipment. The indoor equipment, in our case, we've got the 185 litre Panasonic Aquaria all-in-one tank. And for those that have seen the video that we've done on the all-in-one anyway, you know that the actual hot water tank is behind this panel, and then above here we've got the hydraulics, which is your magnetic filter, expansion vessel, you know, your temperature and pressure relief, your PRVs in there as well, so your pressure relief valves in there as well. And then also you've got your other important hydraulics. So for ease of connection to the outdoor unit, you know, your refrigerant lines, very, very straightforward. It's just a means of, you know, 2 flares either end. Unless you've got to do any joints or bends anywhere. But that would still be done with MaxiPro, you know, press fit fittings, which are certified up to 48 bar.